All right, bankers, you should have a banker folder on your in your Google Drive and a folder for each one of your clients. Okay, once you have that done, I want you to bring up a bank log. This is going to be a blank bank log that you're going to basically use to get everyone started. And you're going to have their starting balance. Now, each client's going to have a different starting balance, so you're going to have to leave that blank for now. But I'm going to go ahead and put the first formula that we need, because whether they're going to deposit something or withdraw something, we want the spreadsheet to do the work for us. So I'm going to go to E3 and I'm going to hit equals, and I'm going to say whatever the balance is, whatever I end up putting right there, I want you to take that number and I want you to add anything that I deposit right here and then subtract anything that I withdraw right here, and then just push enter. Right now it's 0 because there's no balance and there's nothing being added or withdrawn. But when you actually get a client and then let's say they have 1300, it's going to show the balance is 1300, but then let's say next week 1/15/2015, they have to pay a fine of $75. It's going to be a withdrawal. So notice what happens when I push enter. It takes the $75 away. And then let's say in the week after that, maybe 125, we have the auction and they buy something at the auction for $350. Oh, that one looks like I already formatted it red. $350. Now I don't have my formula here, but I can take this, click on the formula up here, click on that little square and then drag it down right there, and it's going to automatically take out the 350. But if it wasn't a withdrawal, maybe they got some more bonus money and it was a deposit of $300, it's going to automatically add that 300. So let this equation tool work for your benefit. Okay, so I'm going to take rid of this right for now. Erase this. Oops. Because all I want is this equation, no fine, and I'm going to keep the starting balance blank for now because each client's going to be different. So for my first client, I'm going to make a copy of this, and I'm going to first type in banker copy. This is your copy, and client 1, and then I'm going to click OK, not share yet. And then I'm going to move this file, I'm going to move this into their folder. I'm going to go to File, Move to Folder, and Classroom Economy, Banker folder, Client 1, and I'm going to move it there. Then I'm going to share this with my client, but I'm not going to get it so they can edit. I'm just going to get it so that they can comment, because they can view. I want them to be able to leave a comment if they have a question about something. They can't change anything, but they can leave a comment. And then you're going to just type in their email address and then hit done, so that way they'll be able to see this. Okay. So once you get done with client 1, you go back to this and you go to File, Make a Copy, Banker Copy, Client 2, OK, opens up a new one, and you go to File and you move this into that Client 2 folder. So each one of your folders should have your banker copy for each client. Okay, and once you have that, you'll look through your records and put their balance in there, and then they'll be ready to go for the semester. And if you were one of the ones that already went through and made tabs like I originally told you, you can still do the same thing where you go to File, Make a Copy, and then you do Banker Copy Client 1. Even though there's more clients information here, all you'll do is you'll make a copy, go to Client 1, and put this in your Client 1 folder, but delete Client 2 and Client 3. You just click on this, and then it'll let you delete it. And then you'll do the same thing for client 2 and client 3. You'll make a copy and delete the other ones that are there. So that way you don't have to redo all of this. Okay? So let me know if you have any questions.